Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Quickly settle down yourself. Settle down yourself fast. Settle down yourself. Turn on your videos. Use your Bluetooth, earphones, headphone, whatever device you have at your home. Because today is a very important day. Very. I'll tell you why. Am I audible? First tell me, am I audible? Everything good? Okay. So here comes a shocking news for everyone. Not a shocking, but I know most of the students won't like it. Because it is about your test, right? Can I enlarge it? No. Yes, I can. ज़्यादा हो गया. Yes. What it is? I'm clearing each and everything. Please lower down your hands. I'm clearing each and everything. Please lower down your hand. Each and everything I clear myself. Okay? I know yesterday we started a new chapter and today we had to do the same, that is area and perimeter. But before that, I was informed that you have a test on September. So it's just for my satisfaction, because every time you give the test and I analyze it, so most of the students either don't give the test, and the students, those who give the test, they give the test randomly, like random things. Okay. No, beta, Gahan, I'm not going to teach you area and perimeter today. Let me finish my things first. Okay, let me finish. So this time, Institute has decided that on this Tuesday, that is 1st September, you will have a test. You will have a test, and that test would be from the easiest chapter. Okay, test is from the easiest chapter, because after the decimal part, it starts like arithmetic part starts, right? So most of the students, you will tell, ma'am, I haven't studied, I don't know, I was late for the batch. So these 6 chapters are the common chapters that you have been studying since your childhood. Since your childhood means since first standard, because what you have: number system, factor multiples, HCF, LCM, fraction, fundamental operation means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and decimals. I have also taught you these chapters. And for those who will tell me that, ma'am, we don't know how to solve this, you haven't taught us, I was absent, I was late, enrolled in the batch, whatever may be the reason. For that reason, beta, please see and note down these 6 chapters. You will have a test on 1st September, that is Tuesday. Test would be from these 6 chapters, and till the date of, it's on 1st September, right? So up to 31st August, from today is 24th August, I say 25th August, right? So from 25th August to 31st August, I will try to take your class daily. I will ask the management that if they can put me on 2-hour class, it would be better for me and also for you also. And I would request them to give me 2-hour class. If not, then 1 hour for sure, compulsory from this 25th to 31st. And what we are going to do? We are going to prepare for the test. I am going to prepare you for the test. Don't think that, ma'am, is this the revision that you said? Because I told you that after we finish the chapters, I'll go on the revision mode. This is not the revision of this chapter. This is the preparation of test. Okay, the thing that we will be doing now in these 5 to 6 days, it is the preparation for the test, because I really want most of the students to get selected. Okay, and this batch I have responsibilities on my shoulder. So beta, I will do everything I can to make you selected in the Sanic school, RMS, whatever is your preference. Syllabus is the same, right? So I will go as per my opinion and my preferences, because responsibility now, institute has given me responsibility on my shoulders that, ma'am, I don't know. I want these students to get selected. And my way, because they told me that they are going to take test. So if they are going to take test, I want you all to score good. Test will be on 1st September and we have 5 to 6 days. These chapters are the easiest one that I chose, right? Addition, multiplication, subtraction, everything is easy. Some of the things that you don't know, I will be revising in the class itself. Okay? Class itself. Ajish, please don't give me excuses. Okay, please don't tell I have half yearly examinations and like that. You must choose your preference. What's that? Okay. And though the student that comes first in the examination, and I will not take that student as first, because I know most of you, not most, but some of you use the internet, Google, and whatever that AI things. Okay. So I know what's the performance of each student in the class. I will analyze the test this time. Personally, I will analyze it. Okay? So please take the screenshot of it. These chapters we will be revising in this 5 days. This is not just the revision, but this is preparation for the test. Okay? Now the next thing. Now I will start, okay? I told you what's the reason. Now I'm going to start, and I will start with things that you have to learn. Timer is going on, okay? I will give you 3 minutes time, okay? Timer is going on the top, you can see. I'm going to give you 3 minutes time, and after that 3-minute time, I'm going to take your test. That's the revision, right? I will be taking your test. And let me ensure you that the test will consist of all the questions from the previous year, last 10 years. And also from your book, that is the Bharti publication book, okay? Question will be only from the Bharti publication book, and focus will be on the last 10-year questions. And I will also make you practice from these only. Timer is going on. 3 minutes you have to learn it. Only 3 minutes. And next 2 minutes I shall take to explain, and then we will start the poll. We will start with number system today. Only this part you have to learn in the number system. Apart from that, everything is easy. Today also I will be giving question from the book, okay? And I will write the exact same question number also. This time I will write exact same question number also. So you can refer in your book as well. 1 more minute to go, dear. Who cannot see 100? 100 is written here on the top. This is 100. See. Time's up, dear. Time's up. Okay. Before starting, I will explain a bit about this. Okay. This is not the revision mode of mine. Please don't be confused that ma'am is this revision. This is not the revision mode. This is just only and only preparation for the test that is going to be held on 1st September. Because there is competition among batches, okay? There is competition among batches. Bmkss batch is responsibilities on my shoulder. I want my students to be in the toppers list. I don't know about the other batch, but I want my students to be on the toppers list. Okay, I'm turning off the chat box because you will be more involved in the chat box. Please forget about the chat box. Don't get involved yourself in the chat box. For the next 5 days, I'm not going to listen anything of yours. You have to study. That means you have to study. Only one thing. You have to study. That means you have to study. That's it. I don't know anything else. Okay. See, beta. This is the Roman number, right? You don't have to remember all the Roman numbers, okay? What you have to remember, if you remember only this box, okay? If you remember only this horizontal box, you are sorted, okay? You are sorted for this, right? And remember one thing, that you can't repeat all the alphabets, okay? You can't repeat all the alphabets. I, X, C. Okay, I stands for what? 1. X stands for 10. And C stands for 100. Only these 3 alphabets can be repeated. Okay, only when you write the Roman numbers, only these 3 alphabets it can be repeated, and maximum number of times that you can repeat them is 3 times. Okay, it is 3 times. Whenever you use alphabets for the Roman numbers, only these 3 alphabets can be repeated, and maximum number of times that you can repeat is 3 times. Suppose X is 10, right? Example, X is 10. If I write 2x, so 10 and 10, 20. If I write 3x, so 10, 10 and 10, 30. But you cannot write x 4 times. No, this will become wrong. This becomes wrong. You cannot write 4 times. Maximum you can write only 3 times. You can't write the 4th x. This one is wrong. Okay, this happens for C also. This happens for I also. Now, how we can use this, we will be seeing when we solve the questions. When we solve the questions, then we will see. First, I'll give you some questions. If I have it, no, I'll give you questions from the book only. Wait, all the previous year questions I'm going to give you from the book only. Those who have Bharati publication book, they can check all the questions from the book, okay? Chapter is number system. Question 124. Okay, question 124. This is the question of RMS 2024. Subtract CD XC VIII minus XC VIII 400, 98, 300 and 250. Okay, here you go. Let me start a poll for you. Quickly you will answer. 31 of you have given me the correct answer. Oh, 32 of you have given me the correct answer out of 57. Dinesh, Kirti and Shahil Sabana. Very good, beta. First three to answer me. Very smart. But many of you have given me the wrong answer as well. Okay, let's see how we are going to solve it. It's CDXCVIII, right? D is for 500, right? D is for 500. And when you write C before it, okay? When you write C before it, that is 100. So 500 minus 100, it becomes 400. CD is for 400, okay? You have to learn the table that I provided you. But using your common sense also, you can say that D is 500. If you write C before it, it becomes 400. If you write C after this, okay, if you write C after this, so 500 plus 100, this is 600. But if you write before it, so this is 400, okay? So you can say CD 400. This XC, C is for 100 and X is for 10. C ke just pehle, that means before C, it's written X, it will be considered 90. And this I know, VIII, it is 8. And this you have to learn, okay? You have to learn. So 400 plus 90 plus 8. I know it is 498. Then I have minus subtraction sign. XC. So XC is what? XC is 90 and 8. That is 98. 498 minus 98. Answer is 400. Option A. Answer is 400. Option A. Yes, Kartala Monish. Quickly. Be ready with your ma'am.
Ma'am, after this, you will teach Mesopotamian numerals or the Maya number system.
Pardon, Kartala. Manish, can you repeat?
Ma'am, after this, will you teach Mesopotamian number system or Mayan number system?
I don't know. That depends upon how much you have learned in the class here. Yes, Sahashri. Quickly, beta.
Can you explain it again?
Okay, those who want me to explain this again, please lower down your hands. Yes, it's Tejas.
For the test.
Pardon?
Ma'am, like the test will be in class only or just
Everything information would be given in your announcement section, and it is not a normal class test. Not a normal class test. It's a competition test between the batches, okay? Between the batches, that you will not be able to see that it is a competition. We as the teacher, we can see that how many students from this batch has done good, how many students from this batch has done good. So it's not a normal test, it's a competition test, okay? That's why all the previous year questions will be included. Yes, Gahan?
in the question CD plus XC plus VII.
Pardon?
Ma'am, you didn't written plus, ma'am, for CD, XC and VII.
You want me to explain this again, dear? Please wait
No,
for
ma'am.
some time. It's CD, XC, VII. CD is 400, XC is 90, and VII is 8, beta.
Ma'am, you didn't write the plus, ma'am.
Beta, here I have not written plus. This I was explaining you that this is for 400, this is for 90, and this is for 8. So 498 it will be. That was just for explanation here. Gahan. Yes, Aditya Kishore, quickly.
If we want to repeat 1000.
Your question is not clear, Aditya. Yes, Mitran. Quickly, beta. I have to move ahead.
How can we split, ma'am?
How can you?
We will split, ma'am.
Speak.
How to split, ma'am? Split.
Split. Beta, splitting thing you have to do in your head, okay? And that can happen only when you learn the box, the table that I provided. Only then it can happen, okay? Because this thing, if you learn that first page, the table that I provided, only then it will happen. I know today most of you won't be able to do it, but still I have to start. Next year also number system only. Number system, and most probably I will include factors and multiples, because that is also a small chapter. Okay, just a quick revision, preparation for the test. Okay, I'm explaining this for the last time, and then I will move ahead, beta. See, how to do this question. So if you don't learn that table, especially the horizontal table, you will not be able to do it. You have to learn it, okay? CD is for 400, XC is for 90, and VII is for 8. So 498. This Roman number is 498. X, C, V, I, right? So XC is 90 and VII is 8. So 98. 498 minus 98 is equal to 400. Okay? 498 minus 98 is equal to 400. Next question, related with number system only, okay? All the question will be related with number system. 120, question number 125 from RMS. 2024. What is the product of the successor and predecessor of 999? 998,000, 989,000, 99,000, and 999. There you go. We will be doing number system today, okay? And here you go. Yasha, I'm warning you for the last time, Yasha. Those who have any specific doubt, please do ask in the chat box. And those who want to spam in the chat box, you can leave my class. You can exit from the class. If you want to do spam in the chat box, please exit my class, leave my class. Samyukta, Kirti, and Sudeep Sani. Very good, beta. Very smart. Firstly, to answer me, almost 45 of you have given me the correct answer. Very smart. See, this question was very easy. What is the product? Product means what? Product means multiply. Okay. Product means multiply. Successor means plus 1. Successor means plus 1. And predecessor means minus 1. Predecessor is minus 1. Successor of any number is the number after it. Predecessor of any number is number before it. Okay? Number before it. So, 999 ka successor and 999 ka predecessor, you need to find out the product, right? So, 999, if I talk about successor and predecessor. So, successor means what? Plus 1. A digit after it. After 999, what I have? 1000. After 999, I have 1000. Successor of 999, 1000. And predecessor, that means minus 1. Predecessor is minus 1. A digit before. Before 999, I have 998. Now just multiply it. So I know 998 into 1000. Very simple. 998 into 1000. It's very simple. 998123. That's option A. Option A. Yes, Nikumto, you can do that, dear. Yes, Lishan, C can be repeated 3 times. Sahashri, you can leave the class if you want to do spam. I'm not blind. Even once if you write A, I can see it. If you want to do spam, just leave the class, Sahashri. If any students fail of my batch now, then you see. For sure, I'm personally going to call you and not you, your parents. That you are just a money waste. If anyone fails in the examination this time, the test, Yes, Ritwik. Ritwik, what doubt do you have, beta? No doubts. Okay, if no doubts, take the screenshot. Moving to the next question. Question 123, also from number system RMS 2024. The greatest number of 5 digits using three different digits with 3 in भगवान जितनी जल्दी करो उतना लेट होगा. Okay, see, first I'll explain the question and then I shall start the poll. Okay, what does the question say? Question says that you have to take a greatest 5-digit number. Okay, and in that you have to use 3 different digits. Different digits up for it can be anything. Okay, and then the question says that 3 should be in hundreds place. So you have to write the greatest number in such a way so that you use 3 different digits. So 1 digit is 3. Another 2 digit you can use yourself, but at 100 place it should be 3. And here you go. You can answer me in poll quickly. And number system is very easy, beta. That's why I started with this particular chapter. Dinesh, Vardhan, and Harshit. Very good, beta. First 3 to answer me. 47 of you have given the correct answer, but still it is very few. Very few of you are giving me the correct answer. And if you can't do this correct, beta, you really need to work hard. Doesn't matter, Yasha, how much did you get in your UTs. If you get full marks in this September test, now for sure, I will make you, everyone pin your video and then everyone will clap. Everyone will clap, including me, Yasha. But if you get full marks in this test, that is going to be held on September 1st. Okay, see, you have to make greatest 5-digit number, right? So greatest 5-digit number should be made by using the greatest digit, that is 9. But the question says that you have to use 3 different digits. So you will use 9, 8, and 1 digit it has been given in the question. That is 3. So you have to use 9, 8, and 3, right? And using this, you can give the answer. So 983, if I say 99, here also 99, here also 99, here also 99. But this option and this option can't be my answer. Why? Option B and D It cannot be my answer. Why? Because the question says that 3 should be in hundreds place. 3 should be in 100 place. You know na? Ones, tens, and then 100. That is, teacher said third digit. Okay? From the back, it should be the third digit. So 1, 2, 3. 3 is in between. But here 1, 2, 3, 8 is in between. Can't be my answer. 1, 2, 3. Yes, this can be my answer. 1, 2, 3. No, this cannot be my answer. Now I am left with two options. Option A, option C. Which one is greater? 99398 or 99389? So for sure, 99398 is greater than 98 is greater than 89. Because before that, each digit is same. 993. 98 is greater than 89. Option A is the correct answer. Option A will be the correct answer. Yes, we have.
Understand the
Quickly.
question.
Question was simple, dear Vihas. Question was asking you to make greatest 5-digit number. Okay? Greatest 5-digit number using 3 in between. That is at the hundreds place. Yes, Aditya Kishore. Quickly. Yes.
So can we also repeat thousands?
No, beta. You have to go for as the instruction of the question. Yes, Advaya Patil.
I don't understand why you don't take option number C.
Beta, 398 is greater than 389. Okay. Option A is greater than option C. And in my question, I have been asked to take the greatest number. Yes, Jai Krishna.
8 came, ma'am.
Pardon, beta.
Ma'am, how did the 9 and 8 came in the
Beta, whenever you write the greatest number, okay. So if nothing was written in the question and I was asked, right, 5-digit greatest number, so 9 is the greatest number. So I would have written 99999. But in the question, it has been mentioned that you have to use 3 digits. So 3 digit, it could have been 9, 8, and 7 because 9, 8, 7 are the greatest digits. But again, it has been mentioned in the question that one digit is 3 in the hundreds place. So I can use only 9, 8, and 3, the greatest digits. Okay, the next question, everyone. Question 115. 115. Okay. And one more thing, beta. Total 125 questions I can see in the book, right? 125 questions. Solve these 125 questions. And send me as many doubts you have. Send me in the Ask Out. I will solve it for you. Okay. I will make you understand in the Ask Out session. And one more thing. Please don't click the picture of the whole page and send. Even if you have doubt in the whole page, suppose you have question number 101 to 150, all the 15 questions you have doubt, no issues. You can send me the 15 questions, but not the pages. Crop the questions and send me. Crop the questions and send me. Don't send me the whole page. If you have 2-3 questions doubt and you are sending me the whole page, pick the questions that you have doubt. Pick the questions, but the best thing you can do is if in more than 2-3 questions you have doubt in one single page, crop the questions and send me. Only then I will solve your doubts. Okay? This question is from Sainik School 2023. Find the smallest five-digit number using three different digits. I will try tomorrow to make the PPT. Okay. Today I had no option. I got to know late that you have test, and this Bmkss is my responsibility. Okay. Here you go. Tomorrow I'll try to make PPT. Today only I will make the PPT. Tomorrow I shall teach you with the PPT. That is easy for you as well for me. Kartike, Dinesh, and Rutvik. Very good, beta. First three to answer. Very smart. See. Find the smallest five-digit number using the three different digits. This time I have to find the smallest five-digit number. Okay. So if smallest number you have to make, you will use the smallest digits. So smallest digits are what? 0, 1 and 2. It has been mentioned that you have to use three different digits. It has been mentioned in the question. So I will use 0, 1 and 2. Nikumto, I got your doubt. 0, 1 and 2. Right? I cannot start any number with 0 because 0 before anything has no value. So I will not start the number with 0. I shall start with 1. And after that, I can use 0. The smallest five-digit number I want, so I can use 0, 0, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4 digit it became. Now I have to use the another digit, that is 2. 10002 is the correct answer. 10002 is the correct answer. How? We have to take the smallest three digits. So smallest three digit is 0, 1 and 2. You shall start with the smallest one, but you cannot start with 0. So I'll start with 1, and after 1 I shall write the smallest digit. Among them 0 is the smallest. That's why 0, 0, 0. I have to make 5-digit number. So 1, 0, 0, 0, already 4 digit. Now I will be using the third different digit, that is 2. So 10002 is the answer. 10002 is the correct answer. Please take the screenshot of it, beta. Next. Question 114. The product of place value and face value. Okay. Place value and face value of digit 6 in the number 78604431234 is what? 36528 00000 36 0000000 and then 362658 0000 and then 36000000. Okay, you have to find the product of place value and face value of digit 6 in the number. Okay, and here you go. Very good, beta. 51 of you have given me the correct answer this time. Sahil, Nikshita, and Akshay. Very good, dear. First three to answer me. Very smart. B and D are different, beta. Count the number of zeros. B and D options are different. Okay, see how we are going to do it. Before doing this question, let me explain you face value and place value. Okay, and then I will be explaining this question. Face value is what? Nikumto, I said I got your doubt. Please don't spam in the chat box. You are not such kind of student who irritates me. Please don't try to be one. Face value and place value, right? So if I talk about the face value, beta, face value remains the same as the question. Face value remains the same of the question. For example, face value of digit 6 is asked. That means face value is 6. Whatever is the question, that is the answer. Face value of 6 is being asked. Face value is 6 only. And now coming to the place value. Place value of 6 is being asked, right? So place value of 6 is written there. So you will write 6. And after 6, how many digits are there? Okay, after 6, however many digits are there, you will write that many zeros. You will write that many zeros. So how many digits I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After 6, I have 8 digits. After 6, I have 8 digits. So 8 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the place value and the face value. Now, the question asking you to find the product. Product, I already told you. Product is what? Product means multiplication, right? So you will multiply these two. So 6 into 6 is 36. 6 6 are 36 and 8 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 36 in the option, right? Option A and C cancel, but still 36 I have 2 in the question. Option B and option D. Let me check number of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So option D cannot be my answer. Option B is the correct answer. 36 and 8 zeros. 36 and 8 zeros. Yes, Mitran?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
I'm the parents,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, and we have some doubts, ma'am. Ma'am, as we entered the class 5 minutes late, please tell me about the exam we have conducted. We are going to conduct.
Ma'am, I can. Okay, those who have joined the class late, so please wait for the next 7 to 8 minutes. At the end of the class, in last 1 minute, I shall explain you about the test. Okay? Yes, Ritesh Ram.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, by mistakenly I gave C option, ma'am. How can we find how many zeros is there fast?
See, zeros, how many you can find fast, beta? That is as per your speed, okay? How quickly you can count the digits. Only that's the only way you can find the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digits are here. That's why 8 zeros, beta. And those who joined the class late, I will explain you about the test in the last 1 minute. Okay, next question here. Question 112. Which of the following is the correct representation of 99? Okay, this is also from Sanic School 2023. IC, XC8, and then XC1X, L plus XX, XXIX. Here you go. Answer me both. Okay, this time only 38 of you have given me the correct answer. Okay, let's see. Chirag, Yasha, and Arav. Very good, dear. First three to answer me. Let's see, beta, how we are going to do this. Who is this? Conjuring movie? Yasha. आप नहीं सुधरोगे यशा. You have to give the correct representation of 99. When I see the options, I know it's the Roman number. 99 means what? 99 means 90 plus 9. How do you expand 99? 90 plus 9. 9 the Roman number is 1x. 9 the Roman number is 1x. And 90 the Roman number is xc. So xc1x is the correct answer. xcix. xcix is the correct answer. That's option C. That is option See. Yes, Arush Rivan.
100 C represents 100, so if we keep 1 beside left to versus C, it means 1 minus 100, it's, ma'am, it will be also 99.
Pardon, I could not get you. Can you please repeat? Arush?
Ma'am, we have in option A, we have placed I before left of the C, which means 1 is subtracted from C.
Uh,
So it will,
no, beta, it's not written like that. It's not written like that. You cannot subtract, like you cannot write 99 minus 1, right? So you come 100 minus 1, you can't do that, beta. Whenever you write the Roman numbers, so it's written in the expansion form, okay? Whenever you write Roman numbers, it's written in the expansion form. So whatever number is written first, you will expand it. So 99, you can write 90 plus 9, and then now you will write the Roman number for 90 and then 9, okay? It's not 100 minus 1 there. Yes, Aditya Kishore.
Mom, it was the same doubt. Now I got it correct.
Okay, well. Yes, Arohi. Arohi Kumari.
Yeah, explain.
Okay, explain this again. Okay, see. See, dear, how you are going to do this? Wherever you have to find a Roman number, right? Roman number. So whatever is the number written, just expand it. So 99 becomes 90 plus 9. Most of you have the doubt that, ma'am, 99 is 100 minus 1. So C and minus 1, 99. No. Whenever you write the Roman numbers, it should be in expansion form first. So 90 plus 9. And now you can write the Roman numbers. 9 ke liye you have 1x and 90 ke liye you have xc. So xc 1x is the correct answer. Okay. And now, because most of you have joined late, so 1 minute for the test thing. I'll quickly explain it there. See. So on 1st September, you will be having test from all these chapters. Okay, number system, factors, all the chapters are related with calculation. This is only the calculation part. None of the arithmetic chapters or formula chapter has been included. Only the calculation part, addition, subtraction, number system, number name, like that. And all the topics I will be making you practice in the class itself in the next 4 to 5 days. So prepare well for the test. This batch, the responsibility is on my shoulder, so I don't want anyone to score less. And don't worry about the questions. All the questions will be from the book itself, okay? The book, the Bharti publication book, all the questions will be from the Bharti publication book, and the focus will be more on the last 10-year questions. Focus will be on the last 10-year questions of Sainik School, JNB and RMS. Okay? So this is the topic of the test. Everything else related with the examination, it should be informed to you in the announcement section. Okay? It should be informed to you in the announcement section. And that's it for today. Thanks for joining me. Do practice number system, factors and multiples. Tomorrow also we will be having class and we will be doing the poll questions. Okay? The practice test. Bye everyone.